So today's mudra is very important mudra. It's known as Kubera Mudra. Kubera Mudra, yes. This mudra helps to attract wealth, abundance, and prosperity in our life. So if you want to attract wealth, prosperity, abundance in your life, this helps a lot. How does this mudra actually works? How can we attract abundance by adopting some mudra? It is just that, we all know that everything in our life is because of the balance of Panchatatvas. And this mudra helps in balancing these tattvas in such a way that it will activate your Muladhara chakra, and especially that, energy which is responsible for attracting the wealth in our life. And this is how this mudra actually works. This mudra not only helps us to attract the wealth, abundance, and prosperity in our life, but in our day to day life also. For doing any selection, for example, if you want to select some book, which book will be good for you, or if you have some wish and if you want to fulfill that wish, so what you can do is you can adopt this mudra and visualize that wish, whatever you have, is fulfilled. You have already got what you want in your life. So when you do that, this mudra will help you to attract that in your life. And this is again very simple mudra, as all the mudras are very simple. This also. So let's learn how to do this. It's very simple. What you have to do is just touch the tip of your thumb to the tip of your index and middle finger, and these two fingers you have to press in the palm like this. So this is Kuber Mudra. Small and ring finger pressed in the palm, tip of the middle finger and index finger touched to the tip of the thumb, both the sides. So this is known as Kubera Mudra. To adopt like this, you can keep it on the thighs while doing meditation. You can also practice this mudra while walking, while sitting, standing, in any posture. You can practice this mudra. And if you practice this mudra around 10 to 15 minutes every day, it will help in attracting wealth, abundance, prosperity, and your day-to-day, small wishes, whatever you have, to fulfill that, this mudra will help you. Alright, clear? Very simple to do it. Just touching the tip of your thumb to the tip of your middle and index and middle finger, and pressing the ring finger and small finger in the palm. Yes. So this is Kuber Mudra. You can practice this regularly around 10 to 15 minutes every day. If you are regularly practicing, this is enough. If you're practicing for any one particular wish, or to fulfill any particular wish, you can practice this mudra around 40 minutes to 1 hour every day till that wish is fulfilled. Maybe if you're building a house, or if you're looking for a job, or any other wish if you have, you can practice this mudra around 40 minutes to 1 hour every day in a one single stretch, or you can divide it into 2-3 sittings, like morning, afternoon, evening, 15 to 20 minutes each time. You can do this. Alright, Kuber Mudra. Once again, you can see this is Kuber Mudra.